Do you know how important your bone health is? Let's dive into that. Bones are the unsung heroes of our bodies. They provide structure, allowing us to stand tall, walk, and run. They're our body's shields, protecting our organs from harm. They're the anchors for our muscles, facilitating movement and physical activity, and they're the vaults of our bodies, storing essential calcium that our bodies tap into daily. But what happens when our bones aren't healthy? The consequences can be severe. Osteoporosis, a condition where bones become weak and brittle, can develop, leading to a higher risk of fractures. These fractures can seriously impact a person's quality of life, limiting mobility and independence. So, let's not underestimate the importance of our bones. They're not just rigid structures, they're dynamic, living tissues that need care and attention. Understanding the importance of bone health is the first step towards a stronger and healthier body. What we eat can affect the health of our bones, so what nutrients are essential for strong bones? Let's dive into it. First up, we have calcium. This mineral is the building block of our bones. It's like the bricks that form the structure of a house. Without enough calcium, our bones can become weak and brittle, much like a house would crumble without enough bricks. Now, where can we find calcium? Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources. But if you're not a fan of dairy, don't worry. Leafy green vegetables like broccoli, kale, and spinach also pack a calcium punch. Next, we have vitamin D. Think of it as the cement that helps the calcium bricks stick together. It helps our bodies absorb calcium. Without it, all the calcium we consume would be wasted. Sunlight is the best natural source of vitamin D. So, don't forget to catch some rays. Remember, your bones need these essential nutrients to stay strong and healthy. Physical activity is another key to maintaining strong bones. But what exercises are best for bone health? Let's unravel this together. Weight-bearing exercises are absolutely vital for bone health. Walk, jog, or hit the gym to lift some weights. These activities stimulate bone formation, helping you maintain your bone mass and strength. The beauty of weight-bearing exercises is that they can be tailored to suit your fitness level and preferences. So whether you're a fitness enthusiast who loves heavy lifting or someone who enjoys leisurely walks in the park, there's a weight-bearing exercise for you. But that's not all. Flexibility and balance exercises such as yoga and Tai Chi also play a crucial role. They improve your balance, coordination, and flexibility, which can help prevent falls and fractures. These exercises are especially beneficial as we age, when falls become a major risk factor for broken bones. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can help improve your bone health. So, let's get moving and keep those bones strong. Certain lifestyle habits can also affect your bone health. So, what habits should you adopt for stronger bones? Firstly, let's address the elephant in the room: smoking. This habit can directly interfere with the body's ability to absorb calcium, leading to weaker bones. If you're a smoker, there's no better time than now to quit. It's never too late to boost your bone health. Next, we have alcohol. While moderate consumption may not harm your bones, excessive drinking can have a detrimental effect. It's all about balance. Limiting alcohol can go a long way in preserving your bone density. Lastly, regular checkups and bone density tests are crucial in maintaining bone health. These tests can help detect any potential issues early on, allowing you to take preventative measures before it's too late. Don't underestimate the power of early detection. By adopting these healthier habits, you can help protect your bones and enhance your overall health.